Hey everyone, my name is Yang Xianghui. I'm taking EDPS 105 right now, and my Holland code is EAS. So the letter E means talkative, ambitious, optimistic, and sociable, and A represents sensitive and emotional. The last letter S conclude idealistic, friendly, and cooperative. So on the basis of my test results, I'm going to join the club called the Global Friendship Campus Club Purdue University because I'm a person who like making friends and I am friendly, talkative, and sociable. That's one of the most important reasons why I take part in that club. Also, I believe that when we're making new friends, it's a it's a good way to building networking. At least at the club group activities, I also can exercise my ability to cooperate. It's meaningful for my future career path. That's all.